Okay, another fresh one. Here you have a 2025 Honda Civic Sport 4-door in red with black interior. The Sport gives you the black wheels. It gives you lots of cool stuff. Piano black mirrors there. Color matched body door, color for the door handles. Looks sporty, looks sleek. I just ran it through the wash so you can check it out here. The body's in great shape. Honda certified, so we take it through the shop. We check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Make sure the brakes, the fluids, the filters, everything is up to Honda specifications, so we can back it with that 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty from Honda. Good at any Honda dealership in the United States. Here at Victory Honda of Plymouth, we give you 6 complimentary oil changes and tire rotations, so it's a 2-year maintenance plan. You get that when you buy a pre-owned vehicle here. You get both sets of keys, your Carfax report, maintenance records, everything, transparent that comes with it, detailed inside and out. Check it out today, Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Let me show you the inside here real quick. Black interior, it's going to be detailed inside and out. 2 sets of keys. There's the miles. This one has 20,654. This one is going to get a new windshield. The windshield's got a crack in it, so we'll put a new windshield in it. Check out that interior. It's super nice, black, sporty, great economy, great value. Honda Civic is a staple of our lineup here. With almost 40 miles per gallon, it's hard to go wrong. This is the perfect car, whether you're commuting, just tooling around town, whatever it may be. Come check it out today. Give us a call, 734-453-3600, Victory Honda Plymouth. Thank you.